Hello everyone and then welcome to another tutorial video. So in this video, just like our previous video, I'm going to show you a specific website where you can earn passive income. Okay, passive income, just commenting on videos, watching short videos and all that. So I've already made a separate video on how to watch tutorial videos and make money. Okay, just like these ones. Okay, this one, and then maybe this one in case you want to chat with people similar to this one, and then this is similar to what I'm about to share with you. Okay, you watch videos and then earn what money with it. Okay, so in case you are new to our channel and or your first time watching our videos, make sure to subscribe to our channel by turning on your post notification, because subscribing without turning on your post notification, it's just like not subscribing at all. Okay, like the video, and then once you go into the comment section, in case you have any question, just leave them in the comment section. We'll try as much as possible to respond to them as soon as possible. And then in case you want to watch our TikTok videos, okay, those are short straightforward videos. You just come to our channel and then click on this TikTok icon. It will send you straight to our TikTok channel. Okay, right. So without further much ado, let's dive right into this video. First and foremost, now website I'm about to share with you, I'll just leave a link video description. Just go straight into the video description. Once you click on that link, it will just send you straight to the website. Okay, now what I'm about to do is just show you a step-by-step process on how to maximize your earnings on this website. Okay, so let's go straight into this website. Now the name of the website is what Timebucks. Okay, on this website there are lots and lots of ways you can earn money. Again, I will show you proof how much people make every single day. Okay, every minute, every second, and all that. Okay, but before I do that, let me go show you how you can actually make the money, and then you can show you proof as to how to make this money. Okay, so you can notice that I have some earnings over here, even though I'm not that active on this website because I've been occupied lately. I still find means, or maybe a few minutes of my time to complete certain tasks and then earn money. Okay, but the main reason for this video is to show you how to earn money by commenting on videos and watching short videos. Okay, now once you use the link in the video description and pin comment, you'll be able to sign up to this website. It's just simple and straightforward. Okay, now let me show you something. These are daily checklist. Okay, so for every single day, these are 6 tasks you can complete every single day, and then you can complete maybe 5 or more. Okay, so you can notice that they are saying that complete your daily goal checklist below and receive a bonus. So now this is the bonus. Okay, this is the reward bonus every single day. It varies. Okay, so once for every 24 hours you get these tasks you can accomplish every single day, aside from the specific tasks I'm about to share with you. Okay, so these are just daily goal checklists. Okay, now you only have to complete 5 out of the 6 below. It can be in any order, so you can start from maybe 2 and go and complete maybe 5 and go to 1, go to 6 and all that. Okay, you must complete it before the day ends. Okay, according to the time in the footer of the site, otherwise it will reset to 0. Okay, this is what it does. No, now this is what you come up with, or what this is what you see once you sign up to this website. Okay, this is the first earning platform or earning approach you get. Okay, you just complete these tasks, maybe 5. Okay, and then you get your earnings. Okay, it reflects up here. Okay, now so I initially stated, I'm going to show you another way of earning on this website. Okay, now let me show you something over here. No, I don't want to show you this first, but let me go show you how you can actually make the money. After that, I'll come back to show you how much people are actually making um on this website. Okay, so in case you have any doubts, let me just scroll down and show you something over here. You'll notice that people are making money over here. Okay, people are making money over here. Okay, so now let me show you how you can make money. Okay, so now this is my dashboard. I have earnings, earn, advertise, ladder, payment. The ladder shows you the people from different countries who are actually earning money on this website. Okay, earning continuous money on this website, passive money. That's what I mean by continuous money. Okay, now let's go to the earn. So now once you click on earn, this menu pops up. Okay, so here we have surveys, content, tax, refer, and then offer wars. Now these are our surveys. Okay, so for me you can notice that there's a survey. length is 6 minutes, and then the rate is what, $0.1. Once you click on start, you go straight to the surveys. Now, these are the amount of money people have been making from completing surveys, okay? 0.650. This is from what? Is it India or so? 24 minutes ago, okay? This is just 24 minutes ago, 25 minutes ago. This person earned this amount. This $0.2 was earned by Argentinian 25 minutes ago, and it goes on and on and on and on, okay? But I'm going to show you how to earn money with what? Watching short videos, okay, and commenting on videos. So from here, you can notice that these are tags, okay? Currently, there are 314 tags available, okay? And then before I started making this video, the money available to earn on this for completing this tax was around $4, but now it has increased to what, almost $6. And then I've not completed any tax for today, so that I don't have any pending what earnings. Okay, now let me show you the kind of tax I want you guys to focus on. Okay, it's very, very simple, straight to the point, and then your money just reflects straight up. Now you can notice that this is sign up to YSense and earn new. You don't need this. I'm going to show you the exact tax I want you guys to focus on. Okay, we want to comment on videos, okay? Commenting on videos and watching short videos. Now, this is something we want, okay? Watch video for 60 seconds, okay? That's 1 minute, and then you earn this money, okay? Let's scroll down. You can also join the Telegram group, just react and share, then you earn this money. Watch 1 minute video, earn this money. Watch another minute video, you earn this money. Okay, I'm looking for commenting on videos, whether I could find some. So you can notice that the money vary, okay? The money you earn vary depending on what? The tax, okay? But watching videos for 60 seconds is quite straightforward, simple and straightforward, okay? And then you earn 0.01 from this tax. So imagine watching 30 60-second videos and multiply by this, okay? That's the amount of money you earn from that specific video or the number of videos you watch. I'm trying to find videos where you have to just only comment, okay? But it seems some aren't available at the moment. So let's focus on maybe watching a video for what, 60 seconds, okay? Now, one thing you need to know is that you have to complete this task, okay? You don't have to stop once you open the task, okay? You just have to complete the task, and then your tax will be verified, and then your money will reflect, okay? So let's look at a specific tax. Let me just click on one of these tags, and then we look at how it is, okay? So let's say I want to watch 60 seconds. So let's click on what? The instructions. So you go to the link. Now, one thing about this website is that you copy the exact link they give you, okay? Copy the exact link they give you, you paste it, and then that link will help you get the reward they are trying to give you, okay? But once you don't use the exact link, you won't get the reward money, okay? So now that's the instructions, okay? You can click on view. Now, once you click on view, this is what they are saying, okay? This is a campaign ID, advertiser ID, campaign created on this date and time, and it's valid for what, 7 days. And then look at something. Now, this is only a preview. Only complete this task after clicking the start button. Okay, so use this link. Okay, so I said earlier, you use the exact link they give you, and then you complete the task. Now, in order to start, you have to click on what, I'm not a robot, and then you continue with the process. So you go to this link, you open this link. So let's say I want to open this link in a new tab. Now, open video title, types of credit cards. So best option for you with this thumbnail, okay? This thumbnail, and then watch the 60 seconds video. So now this is the link I opened, okay? This is the link I opened. Now, they are saying is that what they are saying is that open the video title, types of credit cards, okay? They are saying types of credit cards. So it's this one, okay? Types of credit cards. You open that video, and then you watch the video for 60 seconds, okay? So now, once you complete that task, you'll be rewarded, okay? That's how it is, okay? That is just straightforward. Now, let me show you proof as to how much people actually making on this website by just completing these simple tasks. Okay, so let's go here. Let's click on ladder. Okay, click on ladder. Now, once we click on ladder, okay, once we click on ladder, this how much people are making. Okay, these are potential bonus. And then one thing about this website that once you log in, okay, once you sign up, you get a sign up bonus of what, $25. Okay, $25. That's what you get from what the sign up. Now, this amount people are actually making every single day, every single day. Okay, people are making this money every single day. So let me go up the amount of money people are making every single day. Okay, this is from surveys. Okay, these are surveys. People make this amount every single day from surveys. Okay, you could notice that there's 56 seconds ago. 56 seconds. Okay, 56 seconds ago. Now, you just have to come to this website, choose a task, okay, and focus on short videos, okay, short videos. So you can notice that this has gone to what 309, reducing the money, okay. Every single second or minute, these people update the tax, okay, so that you can get some to complete and earn, okay. You just focus on specific tasks, you complete that, and then the money keeps rolling in. It's very, very simple and straightforward. Now let me go to my dashboard. As I initially stated, I've not been active, okay, but let me show you how much. It's not much, so you can notice that these are the amounts of money people have been making. Okay, this is what you need consistent efforts in order to what make a lot. Okay, just focus on specific tasks, as I initially stated. Short videos with maybe commenting, okay, or watching 1 minute or 60 seconds video, 30 seconds video. You notice that people are actually making money. Okay, 2 minutes, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 4 minutes, 4 minutes, 4 minutes. Okay, about here. Okay, straightforward. So we have what this amount not being paid. Have this one unpaid bonus. Okay, and my wallet, even though I've not been active. Okay, to look at the amount I'm making today's, and as I stated, I've not been active recently, so I've not been able to complete any task. Okay, right. So again, I'll leave a link to this website in the video description, and then what a pinned comment, so that you just click on it and then come straight up, you sign up and then start making passive income repeatedly. Okay, now as I initially said, you get sign up bonuses once you sign up, and then you get what you keep on completing the task and then keep on what earning. Okay, thanks for staying with me till the end of the video. Make sure to subscribe, turn on the post notification so that you don't miss out on future videos. I'll see you in our next video where I'll be showing you how to make money by what chatting with people. Okay, I've already made a separate video on that, but I'll be showing you other websites where you can actually do the same thing. Okay, so I'll see you in our next video. Have a lovely day. Bye bye.